I am excited to show you this Lennar home in Sterling Ranch in Littleton, Colorado. Now, what makes this home so spectacular is it's called a next gen home or next generation home. So what's really great is there is like a lock off kind of apartment, let's say, that if you have parents who are living with you and they want their own separate space, they can be in the next gen suite. Or if you have adult kids where you want to give them some independence, they can also be in that next gen suite. And I'm going to show you and point that out on this tour. But the next gen suites, they have their own front door, they have their own laundry, their own bathroom, their own sitting area, bedroom. They have a kitchenette. They don't have a full kitchen, but there is also a door that connects the next gen suite to the main home. So they can come in and participate in all of the activities in the main home as well, yet still have their own independence in their own apartment. So stick around. You're gonna wanna see this home. It is gorgeous. has what we call a next gen suite. My back is to the front door of the main home. And then you have this door here that blocks off or shuts off the next gen suite. So there is access to the main home through this door. These next gen suites, they are awesome if you have maybe elderly parents that you're looking to come live with you and you want to give them their own space. Here's the living area. And then they only have kitchenettes. They don't have full kitchens in these next gen suites. But right there is their own front door, so they can have their own visitors that don't have to go through the main house entrance. So they can have independent living here on their own, yet still be attached to the main house right through that door. They have a 3/4 bathroom with the shower. Laundry will be here. Full-size room, full size for stackables. And then the bedroom. And this is a good size bedroom too. And then full closet. This next gen suite, these are amazing, either for like young adult children or parents that you want to come live with you. Now, I hope you liked this tour of this gorgeous, beautiful home. Now, this next gen home is approximately 2,951 square feet total. It comes with a 3-car tandem garage. It has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and it comes with the covered patio. Now, this home also has an unfinished full-sized basement. Now, we didn't go down there because it's just unfinished, but it does have an unfinished full-size basement. Some lots have walkout basements, some don't. It just depends on the lot and the home that you're putting on that lot. Now, this next gen home here in Sterling Ranch, well, the prices right now are starting in the low 800s, 805 to about 817, just depending on the elevation that you choose. Now, there are about 9 different models in this community that Lennar has built in Sterling Ranch. And the starting prices range from the mid 600s to the low 800,000. So there probably is something for everyone in this community. And this community is located in Sterling Ranch. When it's completely built out, there's going to be about 12,000 homes here in Sterling Ranch, all new construction community. And this is a master plan community. So 1, there is an HOA. 2, there's Metro District taxes, so you do need to be aware of that. But 3, you get tons of amenities for the HOA and the Metro District taxes. So there's parks, there's playgrounds, there's trails, there's clubhouse, there's outdoor pools. There is a community hub that even has like a dental office, and it has a coffee shop and a brewery there, an eye doctor, I believe. So things that you'll use kind of every day and you don't even need to leave the community for. If you're interested in this property, I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and I would love to give you more information about this home that Lennar has built or any other in the metro area. All of my contact information is below in the details section and the comment section. And if I can be a resource to you, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now, if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos about what it's like living in the Denver metro area, I post a video every Tuesday. Every other Friday is a new construction home tour. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, that's all I got for you to now, so I will see you on the next video.